Today we're talking about the Heritage Double Hung by Kolbe. This is the Sterling series. This one is actually a black walnut on the inside with some diamond simulated divided light. Just a gorgeous window, perfect for a historic application. And the Heritage Double Hung is an all wood product, meaning wood to the outside, wood to the inside, a ton of paint options, a lot of things that you can play and choose and really make what you want. Kolbe is a fantastic company to work with when you consider all the options that are out there when someone is choosing a historic product or an all wood product. So the Sterling has this beautiful concealed jam liner, so you're not seeing any of the mechanisms along with that. It's color matched to the rest of the window, really just a clean, sleek, beautiful product. And when you look at that just overall, it just adds a cleanliness and really captures that traditional premium high-end wood window look and feel that someone really craves when they walk into a beautiful home. One of the benefits of the Heritage Double Hung Sterling by Kolbe is this locking mechanism right here. The spoon mechanism that's available has that nice classic look. There's also their signature lock. It's a little more modern looking, but there's a little button on here. If you lift the sash up, you could just push that button and it tilts right in for washing, cleaning. Really a great product. It's easily serviceable, that on the other side of this window when you tilt it in, that mechanism is able to be easily accessed where some other companies will have strings and all kinds of pulley systems and all that in place. Kolbe makes it easily serviceable that if you ever have any type of issue, it's easily just to fix it. At the top, you'll see the nice clean head jamb, no plastic components, no parts and pieces. It's just clean, sleek wood and beautiful. They do double pane insulated glass with a bunch of different options when it comes to textures or performance ratings. And in between the glass, you can see there's different spacer options. So one of the spacer options would be stainless steel, and then the other would be a black spacer. Personally, I think the black spacer adds a nice option. When you look at the black spacer, it just creates just a simple shadow line to that window, and I think it just adds a nice touch. Whether it's a white oak interior or a walnut interior or even a pre-finished white, that dark shadow line I think is a nice touch compared to the stainless, but both work. It's really up to you on what you like. They can come with different style lifts on there or finger pulls, really whatever you'd like to do. And the Kolbe Heritage is an interior glazed product. Now, interior glazed means they drop the glass from the inside and then they cover it with what's called a glazing bead. Now this glazing bead here on this one is an ovalo glazing bead. It has a nice little like fluted edge, but they have beveled, which is just a angled cut, and they also have square where it's just gonna meet directly into the sash. So depending on the look of that product and really what matters to you and what you like, there's a ton of customization available with that. Matched with that, you have the grill bars, or performance divided light, as coined by Kolbe. Some folks call it simulated divided light. They call it performance divided light. Performance divided light will look like these are individual panes of glass. They are not individual panes of glass. This is two large sheets of glass with an aesthetic spacer bar in between. They then permanently apply these bars to the interior and exterior of the glass with a high-grade 3M style tape. Now, what does that do? It increases energy performance, it adds a clean, sleek look, and it's cost-effective compared to authentic divided light or true divided light, which would be actual individual panes. When you get into that, the authentic divided light, which is available with Kolbe, you're gonna have a little bit of limitations when it comes to the profiles and the size that's available. On simulated divided light, they can go, this is 7/8, but they can go all the way down to 5/8 wide, just a clean, sleek, narrow look. Really a gorgeous touch when it comes to a furniture grade product. Now, what's cool about Kolbe is there's really nothing they can't do. Of course, there's limitations with everyone and everything at some point, but they're a great company to work with in the sense that if it's not available, you ask. And that's really what's cool, is that if you're looking for a premium product to really define your home and really have added performance to something and added design features, there's a lot that you can do with them and say, hey, is this something you guys would be willing to do? And a lot of times it's a yes, or a lot of times it's, hey, we can't do that because of this limitation, but what about this? They're always open to suggestion, they're always open to innovation, and that's why Monmouth Millwork's a real proud partner of Kolbe products. So the Heritage from the inside is just a gorgeous product, but what about the exterior view? Let's check that out. So from the exterior, gorgeous window. Debatable, even prettier than the inside, right? The exterior of this is an all wood product. Now, there is one exception to this, and that would be the grill bars. The grill bars on the outside of a Kolbe window are going to be aluminum and painted to match the wood. The grill bars are always going to be aluminum. And then just this one other component, this blind stop on the outside would also be aluminum and color match. But other than that, you have that beautiful K-Cron 2 paint finish on this. Additionally, the grill bars on the outside will always be beveled on the Heritage series on the exterior, where the interior you have the option of an ovalo or a square or a beveled on the interior, as well as with the glazing beads. But the exterior edge is always going to be beveled, and the grill bar will always be beveled. Now, you can see a couple different colors here on this. We have brown and then a tan color. They have a K-Cron 2 finish. Now, most window companies, when it comes to a wood exterior product, a lot of companies shy away from a wood exterior product, or they don't offer a factory finish on the outside. Kolbe will do a factory finish with their K-Cron 2 finish, and they'll put a 10-year warranty on that finish. Pretty much unprecedented as far as wood exterior windows go. It's a beautiful finish that they put on there. It's a furniture grade finish that's applied to these windows. And what's cool about a wood window, and really what sets a wood exterior window apart, would be the casings and the details that can be put into that. So whether it's the casing or the subsill on the window, there's a lot of opportunity and flexibility for customization when it comes to Kolbe, and that's what it's all about. Kolbe's about having your cake and eating it too. So if you have a specific casing detail, or you have a specific sill detail, like you want sill horns, added component here to the sill that it extends past, what a beautiful historic look. If you're looking for customization, that you have a specific profile or a specific need or dimension, that's what's cool about them, is they can do that. With that being said, there's tons of options. The beautiful mortise and tenon construction on the sash, that gorgeous paint finish that again boasts a 10-year warranty on it, allows Kolbe to really set themselves apart than most other window manufacturers out there, especially when you consider the fact that it is a wood exterior product. So the wood double hung by Kolbe, I think really just adds a clean, beautiful, historic look. When you look at the tall bottom rail, when you look at that minimal check rail, and you just see the sight lines along with it, this window looks like it could have been built yesterday, or it could have been built 200 years ago. It's just a beautiful window that holds that classic statement and just beautiful, solid craftsmanship and construction. If you'd like to learn more about the Heritage series by Kolbe and the Sterling Double Hung, please contact us, info@monmouthmillwork.com. Thank you.